Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be going through our slideshow in order for us to learn how to do our civil design drawing, as I was using civil design. So, ladies and gentlemen, after we have loaded our terrain models and the, the survey files that have been given, we will start off by wanting to insert our template. Which this is how we will get the type of road that we will be looking at. I've chosen to do a full lane camber road, so I will insert my template, and then now I would want to modify this template after I've added it. Modify the template to suit the type of road width that I'm looking for, as well as the shoulders, as well as my pedestrian walkway. Following that, I would want to set my radiuses, my slopes, of which this is how I've set up a 2% fall from the center of the road. Then I would also want to edit my curves. From editing my curves, I would want to choose that will suit, and most of the time in terms of the road, we want to set up such that it can be able to drain. After that, then we'll be able to set up our layer works, of which this was given in the project brief. And this is now to ensure that we have adequate layer works here. Then we'll set it up in the data setup. Then I will complete my template and generate that sort of cross section that we see over there. Then I want to go and graphically insert my horizontal alignments, of which I will now be able to indicate my start chainage and my end chainage, of which my road will be moving in a 40 meter interval of chainages. Then I can generate that and extract my cross sections. But I also have to keep in mind my design speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Checking my design speed for all types in terms of my all alignments, in terms of my vertical and my horizontal. Then I want to check that I have also checked made an adequate curve length and where my curve length my curves will be in terms of my long section. Then I'll make sure that it's adequate, that there is not too much or too low cut and fill. Then I'll generate my road, use road expect, and I'll use road expect on the program in order for me to check if whether I've made sure that my alignments have been checked, my horizontal and vertical alignment. Then I'll go ahead and get my volumes, my cut and fill volumes, and generate a spreadsheet that is being generated by the program itself. Therefore, when I'm done with that, I'll have to go edit my title block. Editing my title block will show that on my title block that my name is there, my student number, and I'll choose a size A0, and this is where now we go to DWG to PDF printout. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was my slideshow. Now, I'll just like to give you a glimpse of the drawings. I've also added on my drawings, I've added that we have some drainage there, which is something I recommend because the original design does show that there was a culvert there in the middle of the road. So yeah, so we'll want to continue that because the culvert would mean that there is water streaming from upstream and going to down. Yes, that's one of my plans. Those are my cross sections. Those are my mesh hole diagrams. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that this presentation was good enough to add some insight and can help you and me to in future when we want to design. Thank you. Okay, where am I now? Oh, man, what's going on?